Now, what could be the moot point today, and what essentially should RBI really focus on? So, with eye on monetary policy outcome, where another 25 pips rate cut is expected, let's go across to Ankur, who's standing by on what the expectations really are.
In a few minutes from now, the Reserve Bank of India Governor Sanjay Malhotra will be detailing the monetary policy, but this will be the first time that Reserve Bank of India Governor will be talking after US has imposed tariffs on other countries, including India. So how Reserve Bank of India is actually balancing inflation and growth, that will be something which will be washed out for. But the expectations are that this time there might be reduction in repo rate by 25 basis point in continuation in what happened in the last policy. But more than that, how will be the GDP forecast? That will be something to be watched out for, because after the tariff news has come in, there is a wide anticipation that there might be a reduction in GDP target this time. But more than that, the good news has come in the form of inflation this time, which is falling below 4% mark. But Reserve Bank of India governor has been maintaining that they want inflation to be aligned towards target on a durable basis. So it will be interesting to see whether or not there is a tinkering in the target of inflation as well for the FY26. But the guidance of GDP is something which is widely expected to be brought down by at least 50 basis point to 1%. Apart from that, a liquidity condition has been something which has been in news since December, although it turned surplus this month, but OMOs have been announced. So whether or not there is a cut in CRR, that is also an expectation as far as banks are concerned. So we need to wait and see whether CRR is cut, repo rate is cut, and also there is some news on the change of how liquidity is managed.